Welcome back. Today I'm working on my 2004 Acura TSX. I'm hooking up this USB AUX car adapter. This is where you can hook up your MP3 thumb drive, or you can hook up your phone or your MP3 player here. And this goes under your stereo. That's how it looks like, the plug. If you have navigation like I do, you're gonna have to buy this Y splitter. You're gonna disconnect your stock harness from your radio, underneath your radio. You're gonna plug in this connector to that plug, and your factory radio plug is gonna go in here. So it's gonna be like a Y, and this is gonna go underneath your stereo. That way you still have your navigation, and you know you're able to use your thumb drive USB or your MP3 player. I hooked up my USB thumb drive to the USB cable right there, or you can use your MP3 player there to your aux cable right here. And I have the Y splitter. This is gonna go underneath the stereo, and this other end right here is gonna go to your factory harness. I'm inside my 2004 Acura TSX. I have a navigation on, and I'm trying to hook up the USB aux cable adapter, which is here. So I have to put the e-brake on, put it in gear, and I'm gonna take off this little box. What you do, just put both hands in here, like one hand here, and just take it off just like that. This is your factory radio navigation harness that's underneath your stereo. I'm taking this harness down. I'm gonna hook up the Y to this and hook it back up. So I took it out. Now I'm gonna hook up this Y. So one end is gonna go to your stock harness, and this top end gonna go back where your old harness used to go to. So it's a Y. One side goes into your stock radio harness, the other side goes to your USB aux cable harness adapter, and the top one goes to your radio like that, up. I hooked up the Y navigation adapter splitter. That's what it looks like. And then I'm going to hook up the factory harness, which is here, to this side. And this other side is going to go to your aux USB adapter right here. I hooked up the factory radio harness to the splitter. Now this side right here, I'm going to hook up the USB aux cable adapter, and then I'm going to put the box back together. So if you want to keep your navigation and still use your aux cable or your USB, you're going to definitely need one of these Y splitters. So I hooked up USB aux adapter cable here, which is from this little box. It goes here. The other side is your factory navigation radio harness. So it's a splitter in the middle. And I'm going to tuck in everything right now. That's how it looks when you tuck in all the wires. There's the Y splitter right there. Right here is your factory navigation radio harness on that end, and on this end is your USB aux cable wire harness. The box is tucked in, hidden away down there. So that's how it's supposed to look. So I drilled a hole behind the black box before I put it in, so I can put the USB cable on there. Now I'm gonna put the aux cable on there, and I'm gonna put the black box back together again inside of there. Don't forget to hook up the little harness for your light bulb like that before you install the box. I finished with the install. You can see the box, there's a hole, 2 wires, your aux cable and your USB cable. That's how it looks. Okay, it's hooked up. I'm all done.